Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 3 Get Smart Plus workbook on page 71. We are on module 9, so this is Let's Play. Activity 1, listen and number 1 to 5. So we have Lynn, we have Mr. Thomas, George, Helen, and Mrs. D. So we have Tom and John also at the beach. So now, in just a moment, I will play the audio about this picture.
Module 9 Workbook. Let's play. Activity 1. Listen and number 1 to 5. 1.
Did you go to the beach yesterday, Lynn?
Yes, I did.
Did you swim?
No, I didn't swim. You know I like painting. I painted a pretty picture.
2.
Mr. Thomas, did you go windsurfing yesterday?
No, I didn't. I went to the beach, but I didn't go windsurfing.
Did you swim?
No, I didn't. I just bought an ice cream. It was delicious.
3.
Did you take any pictures yesterday, George?
No, I didn't take any pictures. I went to the beach.
Did you go swimming?
No, I didn't. I went windsurfing. I love going windsurfing in the summer.
4.
Hi, Helen. Did you go to the beach yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you swim?
No, I didn't. I walked on the beach and I saw a lot of shells. They were very pretty.
5.
Mrs. Dean, who took these pictures?
I took them. I went to the beach yesterday and I took a lot of pictures.
They're very pretty pictures.
Thank you.
So to summarize this picture, so we have Lynn here. So Lynn, she likes painting. And then we have Mr. Thomas. So he likes ice cream. And we have George, windsurfing. Helen, looking at the shells. And we have Mrs. Dean, taking pictures. So I hope you put the number correctly in the box. So now we go and take a look at activity 2. Look at activity 1 and answer the questions. So number 1, did Mr. Thomas go windsurfing? So obviously no. So no, he. So Mr. Thomas it's a male. So he did not or didn't. So we write a contraction here. So after the D, and then remember to put a full stop, and for no, put a comma after O. And then we have number 2, did Tom and John play in the sun? So as you can see here, these 2 boys here. So we have Tom and John. So they indeed play in the sun. So we stated it as yes, they. So they, Tom and John, we use the pronoun they. And then you answer did. They did. Yes, they did. And number 3, did George take pictures? So obviously no, because Mrs. Dean is holding the camera. So we have this one. The answer is no, comma, and then George, pronoun he, didn't. And then we have number 4, did Mrs. Dean paint? So obviously no, because Lynn is painting. And then we have this one, no, Mrs. Dean, we use she, and then did not. So not, we write contraction and apostrophe T, full stop. And number 5, did Helen see any shells? Of course, yes. We use the pronoun she for Helen, and then she did. Number 6, did Lynn swim? So no, basically she's painting at the beach, so she didn't. And then we move on to activity 3. Answer about yourself. So this is open answers, so it's up to you whether you want to put a positive or negative statement. So number 1, did you eat fish yesterday? So maybe the answer is no. So when the question asks you, so you will need to change I, and then did not or didn't. No, I didn't. And then number 2, did you go to school in the morning? So yes, I did. And number 3, did you go to an island last summer? So maybe no, I didn't. Did you have breakfast in the morning? Yes, I did. Number 5, did you take pictures on your holidays? So yes, I did. Number 6, did you watch TV yesterday? So maybe no, I didn't. So that's it for this page. So we are on page 71 on this year 3 Get Smart Plus workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here, and then right below this video there's a link, you can click it, you can join it.